Aiden, look what Rashida got you. Mommy's friend Rashida. Open it. Open it, Aiden. Open it. Can I open it? Wow. You open it?
Cheetos.
Yeah, Cheetos. Yummy, yummy. And what else? What else did you get? Thomas, yeah. Can you say thank you?
Okay.
Thank you, Rashida.
Okay, Rashida.
Thank you. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say thank you, Rashida. Bye-bye.